Check out this Ram 2018 3500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, dual rear wheels included, tires LT235/80R17 EBS WAS bright wheelskins wheels, 17 inches x 6.0 steel chrome clad clearance lamps, tire pressure monitoring, delete 17 steel spare wheel, 6,000 pound front axle with hub extension box and rear fender clearance lamps, monotone paint included, headlamp filler panels and door handles are black when special paint ordered. PX8, P68, P12, P71, P61, P81, PYB, P73, P6, P64, PGC, PB8, P74, P72, P62, P69, PL1, PGW, P63, LED bed lighting, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, luxury group with 2Y/2Z included.